Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, we're down in the basement bathroom, and I'm getting ready to put this sink in. Now, here's the caveat on that. I'm not doing it permanently right now. Yet again, we're just trying to get a more usable bathroom out of this basement for right now. I just haven't got to a point where I can do the finishing and everything for the last time, but we're getting tired of not having a sink down here, so I'm going to go ahead and plumb this in, get everything all ready. It's where it's going to be. It just isn't permanently fully on mounted, although I have taken a level and it's all leveled up nice. This is pretty well where it's going to be in the end, so it's nothing will change. I'll be able to just unhook this, do all the finish work, get all the inspection, and hook this back in later on. But for now, I'm trying to get this set up so we can use it. And this was actually one of those kit things from Lowe's. It just comes with a top, and these comes with the hardware, which I haven't got on. Now here's the thing, you know, the doors, I got it level, like I said, and pretty well where it's going to be. So, but the drawers, when you open and close them, are kind of hidden. And these aren't exactly lined up very well either. And I got to make sure that this is going to open without hitting the wall for now, which it does. Anyhow, I started putting these on, and I'm afraid that if we just use it the way it is, with it hitting, especially right here, it's going to scratch things up and ding things up. Now, when you get these, they're just slapped together, thrown in a box, and sent to wherever it is you buy it from. So if you're doing this yourself, you're going to have to take these, and like this one, I'm going to start with the top, because this won't move here, so that's why I'm starting with the top. But this is where I want to set everything by, is this piece here. And there's a couple screws here, and the screws that hold this in. Now, these came in a package inside the drawer. I just loosely put them in. You don't want to tighten them up all the way yet. And then there's two more screws on the inside of the drawer, which you're going to want to loosen up. Now that will allow you to put this in here, and you can move this every which way and then some. I'll loosen this one up a little bit more. So that will give you a little bit of movement here and there to get your lines lined up a little better. Now, I'll be honest, it's never going to be perfect because these things just aren't made for buying furniture. I'm in my house, so you're going to have to deal with plumbing happening and my laundry going, so hopefully you can hear all this. But for right now, I'm going to set that in there. I'm going to move this up as far as I can, because quite honestly, even as far as I can get it to go, it's not lining up here, which actually, if you look, that's down, so this might actually come down a little bit. But for right now, I'm just trying to get it set to where it will sit in there and not hit anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and take it, hold it where I have it right now. And this is just kind of the quick and dirty way right now, but I'm just showing you more that when you get these, you are going to have to adjust them and do a little bit of fine tuning and fiddling with them. So that right now isn't hitting anything. Definitely needs to kind of go this way a little bit, but I'll deal with that. This one's not hitting. I'm going to pull it over a little bit though. And this one is really hitting, so I'm going to pull this up and over a little bit to try and stop that from happening. And if you're really having a problem, you can go in and adjust the drawer slide a little bit. Not a whole lot, but there's probably some adjustment in there. But right now, like I said, I'm just trying to keep it from racking into anything. It's going to hit. I'm going to have to definitely try and, I may have to hog out this hole a little bit and scoot that over. But we are no longer hitting down here on the bottom. You know, and I'm going to move that down a little bit. I'm going to mess with this and try and get it up and over a little bit more. See, I mean, there's a lot of movement in these. They are not fine furniture by any means. But anyhow, I figured I'd just kind of show you that when you get these, they probably, even when you get them all leveled up and perfect and mounted, there's a good chance that these are going to hit somewhere. And if you just leave it that way, it's just going to ruin it even quicker than it's going to fall apart. This is Sam. So, back of all, master none, you all have a good one.